really nice. And who made that?
So this was made by the students at the Presque Tech Center, the building trade students. And this is a seat for the 1919 Lombard that's due here soon.
Hey, Wayne?
You got it.
Oh, I didn't put the clamp on.
You didn't put the clamp on?
What plant? Yeah. Huh?
I usually take a quart.
Yeah. I walked the logs. I think I worked there 1 or 2 summers when I was going to college.
Is that right? Yeah.
But it was stronger than an ox, and pretty near a smile. And he was on a rampage, and he went out, and of course this guy here thinking fun. I laid right down in front of my desk with just my feet sticking out. And Norman went out to the parking lot and left, and someone come in and there's Ed's feet sticking out.
Thought Norman had put you away.
Norman had done me in. And I can't remember who came in and no, it's hard to say. That was a long time. Which goes to show you not everything at Derby was serious.
No. Oh, goodness.